Hey guys, Natalie here. I've been getting lots of questions about gardens, so I think I'm just gonna start doing short little videos to help with that and to answer some questions. So first thing, if you have not yet picked out a spot for a garden, location is very important. You want sunlight 6+ hours per day. This area that we picked, we cleared out 5 years ago, and it gets good morning sun and early afternoon, and then it gets shaded in the afternoon, especially in the summer, which is fine. Next thing is soil. You don't want to have water, like plants sitting in water. You want it to drain really well. So that's a big thing in the low country. Then you can do like soil testing at your extension sites to figure out what fertilizers you need, or if you need to add lime for the pH, whatever. I haven't done that before, but I'm finally doing it this year. I usually just add like a big bag of 10-10-10 fertilizer and some lime like every other year to help bring up the pH, because we have all these big pine trees. So that's important. Plants like, vegetable gardens like about a 6 to a 6.5 pH, a little bit acidic. And keep the pests out. So I have a 6-foot fence to keep out deer mainly, and then of course those chickens would come and eat this whole garden if they could. So I've had to add lots of like wiring to the gaps and the bottom of this gate to keep the chickens out, because they'll just come and destroy everything. So those are the big things when you're thinking about location. So sun, soil, and keeping pests out. Beyond that, I'll do more videos for like certain times of the year when you should be thinking about or doing things. And we'll do another one real quick on my fall garden, which is what's blooming now.